You be the judge, understanding this English phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, you be the judge. This phrase is not just about courts or law, but it's a versatile expression used in everyday English. So, get ready to explore its meanings, uses, and nuances. You be the judge is a phrase used to invite someone to form their own opinion about something, without being influenced by others. It's like saying, decide for yourself, or, it's up to you to form a conclusion. This phrase empowers the listener to evaluate the information or situation independently. You'll often hear, you be the judge, in conversations where opinions or choices vary, and a person wants to emphasize that the final judgment should be personal and independent. Here are some scenarios. Debates or discussions. When presenting different perspectives on a topic, a speaker might say, you've heard both sides, now you be the judge. Product reviews. A reviewer might list the pros and cons of a product and conclude with, so, you be the judge. Is it worth the purchase? Personal stories or experiences. After sharing a story, one might say, that's what happened. You be the judge, inviting the listener to form an opinion about the actions or decisions made. While you be the judge is about forming an independent opinion, it's crucial to understand the context. Sometimes, it's used genuinely, encouraging true personal judgment. Other times, it might be used sarcastically or rhetorically, especially if the speaker believes the answer is obvious or if they are subtly persuading you to agree with their viewpoint. So, that's a wrap on the phrase, you be the judge. Remember, it's all about encouraging independent thought and judgment in a variety of situations. Whether you're watching a review, engaged in a debate, or listening to a story, next time you hear, you be the judge, you'll know exactly what it implies. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you navigate the nuances of this interesting English expression.